Hello, in this video I will show you how to download a Google Drive video. Now it's a very easy process. So let's say you have a video link of a Google Drive. So in that case what you have to do is just simply go to a browser and just simply paste the link that was sent to you, and that will open an interface something like this, and in that you will find the video as you can see right over here. Now to download a video, all you have to do is click on the download option right over here. And then if there is no restriction on the video will automatically start downloading. All you have to do is click on start download and the video is downloaded. So that's the first option. Now, let's say the video is in your drive itself. So in that case, all you have to do is just simply click on the video that you want to download. Then you will have an option of downloading the video right over here. And if you just simply hover, you will find the option right over here as well. And if you click on the three dots over here, you will also find the option of downloading the video. So just simply choose any option and the video will automatically start downloading. All you have to do is click on start download and the download is done. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like subscribe to our channel and take care.